In this video, I'm going to show you how to factory reset your iPhone. Follow each and every steps carefully and let's begin. But before we get started, make sure to follow and subscribe to iOS Droids. The very first step is to back up your phone. Go to settings, go to your Apple ID, tap on iCloud, tap on iCloud backup. Make sure that this option is turned on, backup this phone. If you don't have an iCloud memory, then there is alternate method to backup your phone using the computer. To find the tutorial, check the link given in the description of the video. Now once this is turned on, go back. Again go back. Now come to your main settings. Now go to General. Scroll down to the bottom. Here you will see an option of Transfer or Reset iPhone. Just tap on this option. Now you have two options at the bottom. One is to reset and the second option is to erase all content and settings. I hope you are able to see the second option. Just tap on the second option. Now once you do so, it will give you a prompt to erase this phone. Just tap on continue. Enter the password of your phone. Now enter the Apple ID password. Now it will give you a prompt to erase iPhone. I hope you are able to see this. Now tap on erase iPhone. Now once you do so, it will start erasing the data present on your iPhone. It can take anywhere between 5 to 20 minutes depending upon the data that you have. Now you will be greeted with hello. Just swipe up. Select the language of your choice. Select the country of your choice. So these are the basic settings. Once you are done, it will show you welcome to iPhone. Once you go through the basic settings, it will take you to welcome to iPhone. Swipe up to get started. So this is how you reset your iPhone. So that's it about the video, guys. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this.